Welcome back to Motor Vision, the place where car passion meets the future of performance, where we dive deep into the machines that are shaping tomorrow's roads. If you love speed, design, and the thrill of innovation, you're in the right place. Make sure to stick around because today, we're looking at a car that has just redefined the meaning of automotive. Artistry and engineering mastery. Ferrari has finally unveiled the new next-generation Ferrari F80, the 2026 model, that is rewriting what we thought possible from the prancing horse. This isn't just another sports car, it's a revolution, a statement and a promise of where hypercars are heading. The Ferrari F80 is not only a machine, but a manifestation of Italian passion and relentless pursuit of excellence. For years, whispers and rumors circulated about what Ferrari would do next after its previous hypercar masterpieces, and now the wait is over. The 2026 F80 has officially arrived, and it's everything enthusiasts hoped for and far more. From its jaw-dropping exterior to its futuristic interior, from its groundbreaking hybrid performance to its racing DNA, the F80 pushes boundaries on every level. Let's start with the design, because Ferrari has always known how to make a car that turns heads before it even starts its engine. The 2026 F80 is sculpted like a piece of moving art. The aerodynamic silhouette flows seamlessly, crafted from advanced, lightweight carbon fiber composites that reduce drag while improving stability at high speeds. The sharp yet elegant lines draw inspiration from Formula One aerodynamics, featuring active aero components that adjust in real time, depending on driving conditions. The aggressive stance, low-slung body, and unmistakable Ferrari curves all come together to create a hypercar that looks alive even when standing still. The front fascia is sharper, more futuristic, with sleek LED lighting integrated into thin strips that give the F80 a predatory glare. From the side profile, the sweeping roofline, sculpted doors, and large intakes hint at the immense power beneath. At the back, the quad exhaust's diffuser and futuristic taillights remind us that performance is the soul of this creation. Step inside, and the interior of the Ferrari F80 feels like stepping into the cockpit of a spacecraft, built for speed and luxury. Ferrari has combined minimalism with advanced technology to deliver a driver-focused experience. The dashboard is dominated by a fully digital curved instrument cluster that can adapt its layout depending on driving mode. The racing-inspired steering wheel integrates most of the car's controls, leaving drivers focused on the road without distractions. Alcantara and carbon fiber cover almost every surface, accented with bold red stitching that reminds you of Ferrari's racing bloodline. The bucket seats are sculpted for maximum support, yet remain surprisingly comfortable, proving this is not just a track monster, but a hypercar designed for grand touring as well. Ambient lighting flows gently across the cabin, creating a futuristic atmosphere that complements the sound and feel of the car. Ferrari has made sure the F80 doesn't just perform, it immerses the driver in an experience. Now let's talk performance, because no Ferrari can exist without redefining speed and power. Under the sculpted hood lies a cutting-edge hybrid powertrain, combining a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with advanced electric motors. This fusion of raw combustion power and instant electric torque produces a staggering output of over 200 horsepower. That's right, 200 horses waiting to be unleashed, making the F80 one of the most powerful hypercars on the planet. The acceleration is brutal yet seamless, with a reported 0 to 60 time of under 2 seconds. Top speed? Beyond 250 miles per hour. These numbers aren't just figures on paper. They represent Ferrari's commitment to pushing physics to the edge while still maintaining control, precision, and emotion. But the Ferrari F80 isn't just about brute force. It's about balance, handling, and technology working together to create the ultimate driving experience. With its advanced all-wheel drive system, torque vectoring, and adaptive suspension, the car hugs corners with confidence that feels almost supernatural. Ferrari has employed active aerodynamics that adjust split-second by split-second, ensuring maximum downforce when needed and minimal drag on straights. The hybrid system not only boosts performance but also provides efficiency. With the ability to run in pure electric mode for short distances, this makes the F80 not only a performance beast, but also a car designed with modern, environmental responsibility in mind. When it comes to technology, Ferrari has loaded the F80 with innovations that blend luxury and connectivity with motorsport-level precision. The infotainment system is sleek and responsive, with augmented reality, navigation, and advanced driver assist. Features that never compromise the raw driving thrill. Ferrari's new AI driving assistant helps optimize settings in real time, learning your driving style and adjusting power delivery, suspension stiffness, and braking force for a tailored driving experience. But make no mistake, this is still a driver's car through and through, with the soul of Ferrari embedded in every gear shift, every throttle press, and every corner. The F80 is not just a hypercar, it's a vision of Ferrari's future. It embodies everything the brand has stood for since Enzo Ferrari founded it: performance, beauty, exclusivity, and a relentless quest to be the best. With limited production numbers expected, owning one of these machines won't just mean you have a car. It will mean you own a piece of automotive history. Each F80 is a collector's dream, a future legend destined to stand alongside icons like the LaFerrari, the Enzo, and the F40. But what really makes the 2026 Ferrari F80 special is how it connects with the driver. Ferrari has always believed that cars should stir emotions, and the F80 does just that. It's not only about speed or prestige, but about creating an intimate bond between human and machine. When you grip the wheel, hear the symphony of the hybrid powertrain, and feel the G-forces pinning you back, you realize this isn't just transportation, it's an experience that awakens the senses. As the automotive world continues to evolve with electric, mobility, and autonomous technology, Ferrari proves that passion and performance will always have a place. The F80 strikes the perfect balance between embracing the future and staying true to Ferrari's heritage. It's bold, it's breathtaking, and it's a reminder that the spirit of driving is alive and well. So what do you think of the new Ferrari F80? Does this hypercar live up to Ferrari's legendary name? Or has it gone beyond what even fans expected? One thing's certain, the future of performance cars just got a lot more exciting. Thanks for watching Motor Vision, where we bring you the latest, the boldest, and the most exciting stories from the automotive world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Ferrari's latest masterpiece, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for more first looks, detailed reviews, and exclusive coverage of the cars that make our hearts race. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road, your passion in gear, and remember, the vision of driving lives on.